tell me this wig is not giving fall. I mean, everything from this color, the cut, it's just effortless, and trust me, the perfect beginner wig. Down to the packaging, everything is giving luxury. We're gonna get to the wig in a second, but first the goodies. She came with a brush, a styling band, and a wax stick, perfect for those flyaways, and even some glue strips, which I have not used in forever. Check out these features. We're gonna get into those into a little bit, but it also came with a storage bag, so it's perfect for traveling with. This is the bear cap, so you can see how good it fits. And also those little custom ear cutouts are perfect. Normally closure wigs, I have to cut into the band myself. They're like all on top of my ear and so uncomfortable. But look at this fit. Like I swear it was made for me. And that's saying a lot. For having no hair, it is absolutely perfect for the small head girlies. When I tell you this wig lays so snug and flat on my head, it's honestly perfect. You don't have to do anything to her at all. I could have actually taken this band off because I didn't need it, but I just wanted to show you that I would adjust that first before adjusting the elastic, just so it doesn't feel like it's bunching up underneath. But like I said, you won't even need her because the glueless fit is perfection. Now I'm choosing to go on with shears because that's what I use most often, so I'm kind of comfortable with it. Just make sure you're doing up and down motion. Now I know this part for a lot of people can be the most terrifying. This is just what works for me, but don't forget you can always take the wig and place it onto a mannequin block just so you can really see what you're doing. Honestly, I needed to take it off myself because I could not get a clear enough view and I didn't want to cut off anything I didn't want to. So just take your time, follow the existing hairline, and do whatever you need to do in order to cut it. Once that's done, it's honestly perfect. All right, now for me, this wig was not quite complete because you need lashes. Like if I'm gonna go all out and put on a wig, then I need the full makeup look and experience. Once you put on your lashes, then you can get the full vibe of the unit. And I absolutely loved everything about it. The color, the length, it's such an effortless and natural look. And yes, my baby girl's behind me asleep. You gotta do what you gotta do. But that just shows you this is definitely mom approved, quick, easy, grab it out the box, cut the lace, and put her on. As you can see, nothing is touching or rubbing against my ears. That makes such a difference when you're actually comfortable in a wig and you feel like you can wear it all day. Now again, completely optional, but for me, because I didn't put any tape on the other side, I like to have a little overhang just so if I do pull the hair back behind my ears, I don't have to feel self-conscious about anything lifting up. It just gives it another little natural effect. All in all, I think RPGSHOW knocked this out the box. I have never had a closure wig look this natural. Like, it's practically a lace front to me. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below and don't miss out on these savings.